Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you the latest news and new bag collection from Louis Vuitton. I'm going to share to you all the information that you need to know, from names, product codes, prices, launch dates, and features. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availability, kindly check with your CAs and the website. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so we are going to discuss Louis Vuitton Spring Summer 2026 collection. So first guys, we have the Alma Trunk Size BB. Price of this one is $3,350 USD. So the main material of this one is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. And as we can see at the base of the bag, it has the trunk details. It comes with detachable leather strap and with a gold chain strap as well. So it would also come in the very beautiful size PM. So we have the Alma Trunk, price at $3,700 USD. So it has the same features, but personally guys, I do have the sizes BB and PM, and I love both. But for example, for a whole day, definitely I would prefer the size PM because it's much bigger and I could fit so much stuff inside. So we have another Alma Trunk size BB. Price of this one is $4,600 USD. So this is a little bit different version. As we can see, the main material is like coated leather with this flower detail or flower design. It comes with cowhide leather trims. It comes with trunk details as well. So it comes of course with detachable leather strap. Then guys, how beautiful is this bag? So we have the Louis Vuitton Chunky. Price is $4,000 USD, still from the Spring Summer 2026 Cruise Collection. So the material is like a empreinte leather in the colorway noir or black. So I love of course that it comes with trunk features such as the S-lock closure. It comes with the studs as well. Then guys, how gorgeous is this PD Trunk 20? So this is a big yes. So as you can see, the price of this one is $4,100 USD. So it comes with this detachable strap that you could carry also as a longer top handle, and it comes with a detachable chain strap as we could see here. Then of course it still features trunk details at the base of the bag. Then another color noir style. So we have the pochette sling size PM. Price is $3,650 USD. So it comes of course in the same material, so like the shiny empreinte leather in the color noir with S-lock closure and detachable chain. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next on the Spring Summer 2026, guys, how beautiful is this bag? So we have multi-pass. Price is $2,770 USD. So material of course is the monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. What I love about this bag is the slouchy design. As you can see, it comes with multiple strap, top handle, chain strap, and a leather strap. So you could wear this one as a crossbody. It would come in the genuine cowhide material. So as you can see, the multi-pass with the price of 3,250 USD. So the material of this one is calfskin leather, and what I love, of course, is the colorway. It's like a latte or coffee color, and it comes, of course, with the same features, detachable straps. Next on the collection, so we have the Alma Chunk Size BB. So price of this one is 4,250 USD. So it comes in that very beautiful, like an empreinte, shiny empreinte material. So this Alma Chunk BB features the chunk details at the base of the bag. So of course it comes with 2 straps, leather, and a silver chain strap. Next on the collection, so a chunky east-west. So a while ago, so we are seeing like the shiny empreinte. So now it would also come in the monogram canvas feature. But honestly, guys, comparing the two, because currently right now I love my bags understated, so I'll be choosing the shiny empreinte leather version versus the monogram canvas one. But it is just my opinion, guys. So then we have the Petite Malle silhouette. Price of this one is 7,350 USD, still from the Cruise Spring Summer 2026 collection. So the material is calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. So it comes with chunk details, as we can see here, detachable leather strap, no studs, and S-lock for closure. Next on the Spring Summer Cruise 2026. So of course, they are wanting this bag to trend. So we have the Biker PM. So the price of this one is 4,700 USD. Material is calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims, and of course it would come with detachable leather straps. So guys, how do you feel about the Biker bag? Kindly comment down below. Of course, another new bag designed by Nicolas Ghesquière. So this was launched a couple of seasons ago. So we have the Express MM. So price is 4,600 USD. So I believe this one, it kind of looks like inspired by a Speedy but a slouchier version. Then of course, they have removed the top handle and change it to a longer strap, so you could wear this one as a longer shoulder bag. Then guys, we have the Pochette Sling PM. Price of this one is 3,150 USD. So the difference of this one now, the material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, and of course it would come with straps, so you could carry this one as a long shoulder bag. So next on the Spring Summer 2026 Cruise collection, we have the Biker PM. So this one I truly prefer. So price is 4,400 USD. And the reason why I love this bag is because I am biased with anything metallic, especially with metallic silver or metallic gold. So this is right up my alley. Then of course, I love the size. And of course, I love the detachable strap that it comes with. Then guys, so aside from bags, so we have couple of shoes to feature from the Spring Summer 2026 Cruise collection. So first we have the Spike Flat Ballerina. Price of this one is 1,200 USD. So as you can see, so it has like a spike detail. Then of course you can see slivers of skin of the design from the ballerina shoes. Then guys, we have the Avalon High Boots. Price of this one is 3,050 USD. So features, of course, made of calfskin leather, and it has a grommet detail. So this is like a knee-length style boot. So how do you feel about this one, guys? Kindly comment down below. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!